Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Welcome back. Today video tutorial, we are going to learn how to configure a pop-up in a faceplate template objects and how we can use in the WinCC Unified pop-up screens. So what is a pop-up? Pop-up screen in HMI or SCADA system, especially in the WinCC Unified, is a secondary screen that appears temporarily on the top of the main screen to show additional content without replacing the main view. So here in this tutorial video, we will learn how we can configure a pop-up when you click off any of the pump object. So another screen will open here, and here from here you can control the pump. You can view some more detailed data in a secondary screen. For example, if I will click it here, so it will start the you command to pump to start, and similar manner we can stop it from this pop-up screen. So let's see how we can configure a pop-up screen in the WinCC Unified Faceplate template. So we'll use the same project that we already created in our previous tutorial. So in the previous tutorial, we learned how we can use the UDT, and we configure a faceplate. So in this tutorial, like we'll create a pop-up screen in a and so to create a pop-up screen, I will go in library, then project library, and expand the types. So these all in our previous tutorial, we configure the UDT, and in this tutorial, I will add a new graphics. Like for that, click here, add a new type, and then select the faceplate, and then you have to select unified panel or WinCC Unified PC. So here I will write the name, like I will write the name pump pop-up and click OK. So I will prepare a pop-up screen, save the text, and I will write pump name, and then I will take one text, and okay. Then I will go here in library, and I will just drag and drop the our graphic that last in the previous tutorial created. I will just change the weight like 96, height also, and also same 9. And I will put in enter. Now after that, go in the toolbox and write here T and then element, and in element biofield, and I will just reduce size just here. Okay, perfect. Now I will take a button to start and stop the pump, and I will write name start, and similar manner I will take one more button to stop the pump. Now I will change the color, background color. For background color, for start, I want color green, and font color should be white. And similar top color, I will change it, and font should be white. Now I will just put all of and now I will select the background area and go in the size and position, and I will change the height for 300 here, 200. I will increase little bit to 50. Okay, perfect. Okay, will align in center. Okay, now the next step, graphical part we completed now. Now we'll move toward the tag linking. So for that, first I have to create the tag for in the tag interface. So first I will write the name, the my pump name, pump name. Okay, and this should be the string variable. So the string. So I will select the W string. Now next is my pump. For example, I write the name of the PMP, and then I will select it from here. The data type. Data type is a PLC UDT that in our previous tutorial we just created. So I will use the same. I will just select the structure version. Okay. Then go back in the visualization. The pump name first. You have to go in the general text, and from here you have to select the tag, and then we have to select the pump name. Here you can see the W string pump name selected. Click OK. So we are developing this as a template. So we'll reuse same faceplate for multiple pumps. Okay. Now I want once the my pump is running, the color should change. For that, go in the miscellaneous interface, basic color, and then select the tag. We have to select our tag. So we will use our UDT tags. So just now I created PMP and then run. Okay. And then close down single bit. And I want once the value is true, in that time this color should change to green. Okay. Now the speed, go in the general, then process value, select the tags, and from here we can select the speed value, that is the real. Then the start, for start, like we have to do some actions. Click here over the event, then select the press, then click over the add function, then tag and set with in tag, and we will select it from here our tag. Once we press, the start command value should be true, and I want once I release the button, then the same tag 0 should move. For that, reset bit in tag, we will select the function, and we will select the same start command. So once we press, that time set bit in tag, and it will write one value, and once we release, then it's a reset bit in tag, so it will write a 0 value. Similar manner that we configure the for the stop button. Once the press the button, we'll add the function tag set bit, and in this time we will select the stop command tag. Okay, and we want once the button is released, in that time the 0 value should be right. So reset, and the stop command. So that's it. We configure the pump name, we configure the pump, color change, speed, and start and stop commands. So now I will release the version. Click over here yellow icon and click over the release the version. I'll just keep the same name. Click over the OK. So now I will open my graphics screen, click over the overview screen. Okay, so here is our overview screen. Then I will go in the elements, and then I will select the button and just drop it here. And in the button, I will add a mouse click event. So first I will convert in the JavaScript. So click it here, will convert in the JavaScript. Now I will add it here, right click and then select the runtime, then screen, and we will select second last option, open faceplate in the Popup. So now what we are going to do, we will write a script. That script will create an instance and it will use the same faceplate that we just now created as a pop-up. So once you click it, it will create one instance and the same pop-up will open. So let's configure it. So first we have to configure which faceplate we want to use as a pop-up. So I will select it this and press Control J, and then we will select this. Just now we created from pop-up and then version and click OK. And after that, the title, for example, I can write just from data. And then data will come from here in the top area. So this color property not required. I will just remove it. Okay. Now here first we have to see our data come from where. Our data come here from the HMI tags. If I will open it, the HMI tags, I will click here to all. So first my this UDT I developed it. So this is a tag name of my UDT type. So I will just copy the name and I will put it here, replace with the tag one. Just press Control. So I replace the tag name. Okay. Now where this tag data, where it should move to into the faceplate tag interface or tag name. So for that, I will open the library area and I will right click and for example, I will open it. And I will go here, the tag interface area. I will just put the same name. I'll just copy the name and I will go back in overview area and I will just place the tag property, Control V. And similar manner, I want also link one more variable, paste, and this time the pump name will copy, overview, and here I will place the pump name, and from the HMI tag, the tag name is pump01 name. So now our data, our HMI tags data will come here. Then it will move to the our faceplate tag name EMP, and similar manner P01 name. We have a string variable, string data will be there, and this will move into comp. So okay, so I will save it. Now here one more challenge is there. Like if you select the object that last time we created, it's not allow us to put some actions as we have in the button. You can see button, it give us the some mouse click events, press and release events, allow us. So, but for the objects case, we don't have. So we must have to use the button to configure the pop-up. Now the problem is like the button is like the background color we have to remove, this text we have to remove it. For that, first we will remove the text, just select and delete. Okay, now the next is we want this to remove this the background color. For that, go in the appearance and the capacity, just this put one value into 0, then the background color will remove, and I will just drop it same over the my palm. So that's it. I will just save the project and download. Our project is successfully downloaded. So now we'll open the runtime. We'll write the username. So now if I will click it here over the pump, you can see the faceplate is open now. Now if I will click over the start button, you can see the value is right and our motor is start. Similar manner, if I click over the stop button, the motor will become stop. So let's see in the PLC program. So for example, I will open the watch window and I will go in the monitor mode. So you can see if I click it here, once I press the start button, you can see the pump 1 run is on, and once I press stop button, it will become stop. If I want to write some values, suppose 7, and so runtime, you can see the value is 2.7 now. And similar manner, if I will go in the logic, there you can see in the pop-up, once I press stop button and once I press start button, you can see that my logic is latched, and once I press this stop button, my logic is unlatched and my pump is stopped. So Alhamdulillah, we learn in this tutorial video how we can configure a pop-up in the faceplate, and we also learn how we can create uh, faceplate, pop-up, and how we can reuse it for the multiple pumps. So thanks for watching this video.